everyone, it's Max. I wanted to invite you to my next seminar, Break the Matrix and Free Your Mind, The Path Forward. So, as I think we can all see, the Satanic/Saturnic structures that we've been living under are crumbling in real time. So we're looking at a really bumpy transition process as governments shut down, travel's being disrupted. We have kind of the looming hunger and digital ID thing that they're trying to push on us. Migration is destabilizing a lot of Western countries, and they have escalated their assault on our bodies, nervous systems, and psyche. And why? Because the psychopathic class is desperately trying to keep the matrix going as more and more of us unplug. They need our energy and compliance to keep the simulation running, and they're really afraid that we will remember who we really are and co-create a reality outside of their control. So join me in this seminar where we're going to look at, identify, and break out of what I call our wallpaper programming, which is the programming that's so basic and foundational that we don't even know we're programmed. How do we deprogram? How do we learn to become a free thinker, raise our consciousness, and step into and recover those natural abilities that we've always had, but they've kind of suppressed in this simulation? So the other thing that I'm going to cover in this seminar are actual practical solutions and steps we can take to build a new earth outside of the satanic simulation. Because the time is now. The transition is happening right before our eyes. And yeah, it may be a little turbulent and chaotic, but we can come together as a community and thrive. That's actually why we incarnated here at this time. So let's focus on what is next as this old matrix dies and we move into a higher dimension together. I look forward to seeing as many of you as possible. If you want to sign up, go to my website, Unbroken.Global, and look under classes. See you soon, guys.